Welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the #1 rated precious metals company, Goldco. Hi there, I'm Ron, and thanks for joining us today. The end of 2023 really hit with a bang. Gold had an impressive year, and according to MarketWatch, gold is ending 2023 with a record-breaking run, mainly because of the fact that treasury yields and the dollar extended declines on expectations the Federal Reserve will soon be cutting interest rates. But there's also a bit of news that has flown quite under the radar, and I wanted to make sure you had all the information you needed to make good decisions for your savings in 2024. One of the biggest stories of the year was the shocking news that Russia and Iran may be officially ditching the US dollar and trading in their local currencies. This could be very bad news for the dollar's reserve currency status and could potentially spread to other countries. Russia has said it will not be accepting the US dollar for trade, but instead will use Chinese and Emirati currencies. And on top of this shocking news, well, we have a few bold predictions coming in about the US economy. One that stuck out in particular was this headline from Fox Business. US Economist predicts 2024 will bring biggest crash of our lifetime. The article goes on to warn that an everything bubble will burst in the new year. Since 2009, this has been 100% artificial, unprecedented money printing and deficits, $27 trillion over 15 years to be exact. This is off the charts, 100% artificial, which means we're in a dangerous state. Now, could all this be good for gold? And the likely answer is yes, as gold's been traditionally used as a hedge against uncertainty. But only time will tell how all this unfolds. So make sure you come back here for future updates to stay in the know. Now for silver, we've had some more big price predictions coming in that are worth noting. Now, last episode, we mentioned that silver could hit $100 an ounce thanks to artificial intelligence. This time, we've got a prediction saying rate cuts may push silver towards $30 in 2024, and another saying $48 will hit either by mid-2024 or mid-2025. Any way you look at it, the future is looking rather bright for silver. What do you think? Should you be looking at gold and silver to invest in your future? Is 2024 the year precious metals truly shine? As always, we want to know what you think. Does the recent news about Russia and Iran using other currencies for trade spell trouble for the US dollar? Will 2024 bring about the biggest crash of our lifetime? And how about silver? Will prices hit $30, $40, or even $100 per ounce? Go ahead and let us know what you think down in the comments. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up and a click on that subscribe button. Remember, this episode is brought to you by the #1 rated precious metals company, Goldco. Goldco has helped thousands of satisfied customers protect themselves over the years, making over $2.5 billion in precious metals placements. With direct relationships with mints around the world, they work hard to bring their customers gold coins and gold bars that are guaranteed to be authentic. And their customers' 5-star reviews are a testament to their dedication to quality products and customer service. So if you're looking to diversify your hard-earned savings with gold ahead of a recession, well, it's important to work with partners you can trust. Right now, Goldco is offering you a free gold IRA kit to give you all the facts when it comes to diversifying with precious metals like gold and silver. Trust me, you'll want a copy of this free treasure chest of invaluable information. To get your free gold IRA kit today, simply click on the link below or give Goldco a call right now to get started. Until our next glimmering journey, stay curious and, as always, keep shining.